This tutorial will show you how to sign up for our new consumer notification services, which will allow you to receive notifications via text message or email. Once you sign up, you will have access to enable and disable which methods you'd like to receive notifications for your account. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using our tested environment and account information. You will need to make sure your cell phone number is on your account. If your phone number is not on your account, you will not be able to sign up for this service. Please contact us to add your cell phone number onto your account. Make sure you have your cell phone near you, as you will be receiving a verification code to reference during sign-up. Let's begin. Once you have clicked the Sign Up banner from our website, you will need to accept the End User License Agreement to begin. On the Find Account page, you will need to enter your account number and cell phone number and click the Go button. You will receive a verification code shortly on your cell phone. Enter this code and click Verify. This code is not case sensitive. Once you have verified your account, you will be logged into your online notifications portal and account summary screen. The account summary screen displays the accounts that are currently tied to the phone number you have entered, along with the service address and meter associated with that account. The screen also displays any additional phone numbers and emails that have been linked to those accounts. To manage your account, click on the blue pencil next to the account number. This will allow you to enable or disable texting and notifications to the phone numbers and emails on the account by clicking the red or green icons next to the form of communication. Red equals disable and green equals enable. If you would like to add additional phone numbers or emails, click the green plus sign. Please note, you cannot add a phone number without entering a separate verification code that is sent to that phone. This validates that the owner of that phone is wanting to receive notifications for this account. You can also add or edit the service nickname on this screen by clicking the blue pencil button. You can only use each nickname once. For example, say you have two accounts, one for your home with a barn and one for your rental property. You could nickname them Main Home, Barn, and Rental Home. If you click your phone number or email address itself, it will show which accounts are linked to it. At any time, you can return to the Account Summary page by clicking the Accounts button on the main menu bar at the top. Please note, this option will only be available if you have multiple accounts. Should you want to log back into your account, click onto the Sign Up banner on our website and re-enter your account number and phone number.